We finally did something that we've been wanting to do for many years, and that is ride the Santiam Excursion Train in Lebanon, Oregon. This has been on our date bucket list for years, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. Just a quick, easy drive south of Salem, you pull into this charming little train depot with a gift shop, friendly staff, and yes, bathrooms, because let's be real, that's important as well. Tickets are super affordable, $35 for adults, with discounts for kids, seniors, and military. We boarded the Santa Maria Valley 205, a steam engine built in 1924 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Pennsylvania. This beauty's been through the San Joaquin and Eastern Railroad, the Santa Maria Valley Railroad, and now calls Oregon home. Inside, there's a car for everyone, old school plush seating that fills first class, cars with tables and chairs, a fully stocked bar car serving everything from mimosas to old fashions, even an open air car for those Instagram worthy shots. There's also an onboard cafe where you could grab hot dogs, popcorn, candy, you name it, all at a really affordable price. If the train gets a bit too loud, you could also grab a free pair of earplugs. Most of the cars are open for you to explore, and yes, there are bathrooms on board. Some even come with a scenic view so you can multitask your sightseeing. I don't know. Anyway, there's AC, music, and plenty of space to wander between cars while you ride. The excursion is about an hour and a half round trip from Lebanon to Sweet Home. You get to watch them detach the engine, move it to the other end, and hook it back up, which is way cooler than what it sounds, trust me. And that whistle and the plumes of steam, totally worth it. Whether you're a lifelong steam train fan or just looking for a unique family friendly day out, this ride is a win. I'll do it again in a heartbeat. Next time, I'm eyeing the brunch train with mimosas. At the end of the video, you'll find screen grabs from their website with additional information, including prices, a map, and different theme train rides.
I'll get back.
Actually, love, why don't you go to that next, go up to over there and stick your head out. Stick your head out more. Out more. There we go, wait.
Hey, good place to get coffee. That looks like a Leanne's type place.